White today?
No masterpiece. Come on, Craig. What you got for me today, Craig? I mean, I need an INT, a strip fumble. I need all of that. You know what I'm saying? If you don't feel your thighs burning every time you pedal out this, you ain't doing it right, Aunt.
Connected to Vikings Wired.
Ooh, I got it. Where you going, Jay?
Here you go, Craig.
That was a catch. 1 yard catch? You settle with that? You crazy. You gonna put a big boy in front of me, huh?
Here you go. Work your technique. Work your technique. Twist that. There you go.
Huh? Come on, get to me. Oh, no. Hey. You already know what the time is. Come on, man. Let's eat, man. Let's do what we do, man. Let's compete, win, have fun with it.
We're gonna work both sides.
I see you. Nope. Ooh, I had you change too. That shit ain't even come off. That's $20 at the house. $20. That's a $20 chain. It didn't bust.
I don't know about that one.
I gotta take this tape off, man. Damn fingers, man.